Sir, you've got a giant buck in your field. And why are you knocking on my door? Well, with your permission, I'd like to go hunt 'em. And you plan on hunting them with a shovel? No, I'm gonna shovel your whole driveway if you just let me hunt this one deer. And you realize my driveway is like a mile long, right? Yeah, but that's a 200-inch buck, so I'm willing to do whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, huh? Yes, sir. I'm just an honest, hard-working country boy trying to get on a big deer. You know what? I got a daughter about your age. She ain't much to look at. She missing a few teeth and her head kind of go like this, but she's real nice. And you want me to